Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Fretello Guitar Lessons app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Fretello is a structured guitar learning platform designed to help beginners and intermediate players improve through guided lessons, practice routines, and real-time feedback. The app uses a curriculum developed by music educators and includes video tutorials, exercises, and personalized practice plans. It's available on iOS and Android. The main feature of Fretello is its lesson system, which breaks skills into small, manageable steps. It listens as you play and gives feedback on timing, accuracy, and technique. The app also includes backing tracks, warm-ups, and genre-based lessons to help players build fluency and confidence. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about actual performance. Many users appreciate its structured lessons, motivational approach, and detailed feedback system. It's helpful for beginners who struggle with consistency and need guided practice. The bite-sized lessons make learning less overwhelming. However, there are some drawbacks. Much of the content requires a subscription, and advanced players may find the lessons too basic. Microphone accuracy can vary depending on the device, occasionally causing feedback issues. In summary, the Fretello app may be worth using if you're a beginner or intermediate guitarist looking for structured lessons, regular practice guidance, and motivational feedback. But if you want advanced theory or don't prefer subscription-based learning, it may not suit your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.